video will walk you through logging into your Jobs Portal account and explain what to do if you forget your password and need to reset it. The Jobs Portal is a tool used in multiple communities and by multiple organizations across Canada, so your Jobs Portal login page may look different depending on how you are accessing it. Whether you created your own Jobs Portal account through your local Workforce Development Board or Employment Network website, or your employment service provider created it for you, logging in will be the same, as long as you make sure that you're logging into the website associated with your Jobs Portal account. Simply type in the email address associated with your account and the password. If you need to see the password, you can click the Show Password icon. Be careful about making your password visible if you are accessing the portal in a public space. If you're having trouble logging in, it could be because either your email address or the password you are using is incorrect. Perhaps because there is a mistake in the way you typed it, or that the email or password are not the ones associated with your account. If you know the email is correct and the password is not working, try clicking Forgot Your Password, Reset It Here, below the login button. This will let you type in your email address. If the email address is correct, our system will automatically send to your email a prompt to create a new password. If you don't see the email in your primary inbox, be sure to check your junk, spam, clutter, or other inboxes, as automatic system-generated emails can sometimes end up there. If our system does not recognize the email address you have input, first ensure that you have typed it in correctly and that you are using the correct address. Try an alternate email address you may have used. Sometimes when you log in, you may also be prompted to answer some questions, including when it's your first time or when you've made changes to your portal account. For example, if you recently changed your employment status. When you are done using the Jobs Portal, remember to log out by clicking or hovering over your name and clicking Log Out, especially if you're accessing it on a public device like at a library.